Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a caddy for a couple of these tanks for a friend of mine. He's got this little torch deal that he got from Home Depot that you can mix your Mapp gas with some oxygen, and it will burn a lot hotter for when you're soldering or doing little projects. But anyways, he bought it, and all it came with was the little two valves that go on the two tanks, and the tanks are just flapping around while he's sitting there soldering stuff. So I told him, I said, boy, that can use a little caddy or something, and he said, yeah, I could sure use one. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna make him one today. I hope he likes it. Then it's not gonna be something real dramatically, you know, hard to make, because I mean, it's just two tanks, and we'll see. But I'm gonna make him a little caddy for a couple of these tanks and his little kit that he bought. So we'll see. Here we go. Here we go. So what I'll do is I'll get this glued up, because I'm sure you don't want to see me take all this time and glue this up. So we'll come back when this is all glued up, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I've got this thing pretty much glued up. I'm gonna wait 24 hours, because for the main part I used this regular Gorilla Glue, and you just get a damp rag and you wipe the edges of where you're gonna glue it, and you put the glue on, you clamp it, and you wait until it gets all dried up. And I believe it does take 24 hours for this to dry. So we will wait. It says in about a couple hours it's ready to take the clamps off, but I like to wait 24 hours. I don't like, you know, take any chances, so we'll wait 24 hours. Hey guys, so I'm back working on this thing. It's been 24 hours. I already went ahead and removed a couple of the clamps. We're gonna go ahead and take this one off now. I had decided to maybe split this video into two, but never mind. So as I was getting this all together, I was contemplating, because I was ready to start painting this, and I don't know, I'm thinking that this is gonna be a little bit weak. I mean, I'm thinking I may want to back this with another piece, because this, I don't know, I have a feeling it's gonna snap here. If it snaps anywhere, it's gonna snap here and here with the weight of the two tanks, you know. So yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is getting another piece and putting that there, so that this is like that. Get that trimmed up. I'll get this cut off, get that cut out. We will epoxy and sandwich these together, and that should take care of that. It should be nice and strong. Alright, so I got this all glued up now. Got the clamps all on here, and we're just gonna wait a little bit, and once it dries, spray paint it and get this sucker done. Alright, so started taking those clamps off. It's been enough time, and there she is. You know, I know that both of the pieces of wood were bent a little bit, but it's okay. It's alright. It's all good. So I'm gonna take this outside, shoot it with some paint. I mean, it doesn't have to be the most perfect thing in the world. I mean, it's just gonna get beat up in the job site. And like I said, all it's gonna be for is for a couple of these little tanks to store, and so they're not getting knocked around everywhere. So yeah, that's what this little caddy's gonna be for. So yeah, I'm gonna spray a coat of paint on this, and we'll be done with it. Alright guys, so here it is. It's all finished. Let me get some more light. It's all finished up, ready to go. Now I did use some of this craft foam and put it back there, lined the bottom so that you don't hear all that clackety noise. And that's just the back there, nothing big, but there it is. It's all finished. We'll see you later.